Yebo, welcome to Watch Me Build It. We're almost there. You can taste it. I'm sure you've already had this watch around your wrist, but you need to resize that bracelet. So step number 12, watch me resize my bracelet. Let's get in there with our screwdriver, take a couple of extra links out and get this puppy fitting like a glove. Before we start building, a few reminders. This is part of a series of videos. Be sure to watch the intro video and the ones that came before this and the ones that come after. Be sure to click on the link below to go and buy your own MB78 kit and use the affiliate link to the Namoki store to get to their store, and then use this code here to enjoy an exclusive discount on this kit. You can only enjoy this discount using the Watch Me Build It code. Finally, don't forget to click like and subscribe. But more than anything, let's do this step. So we have our full watch on the movement cushion, a screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, a pair of scissors, and tape. So how do we size it? First, you take your watch and you squeeze the bracelet to see how many links are extra. On my calculation, it's 3 links. Remember, you have micro adjust to work with 2. So here we go. We'll be removing 1 link from the one side and 2 links from the other side of the bracelet. You'll notice I've put tape on the links to protect them. You begin by unscrewing the pin on the link that is closest to the buckle. Once you've unscrewed it, use your tweezers, gently remove the screw pin, and then you decouple the buckle from the bracelet. Now you count off the amount of links that you want to remove. In this case, I want to remove 2 links. And then you remove the appropriate pin so that you can get your 2 link removal. Take this one out with tweezers. Set the 2 extra links aside. You bring the buckle portion back. Insert it into the waiting bracelet. Align the holes. Drop the pin in. And then gently use your screwdriver to screw the pin back into position. Just be careful when doing this. Take your time, because if you're too quick, you might slip and scratch the side of your link. There we go. And now at high speed, I will redo the same process. I battled a little with this particular pin, but eventually we got it out. And here we go. It's 3 links removed. Now we check it. See that it fits. Yep, there we go. Nice and snug. I don't need to use that micro adjust to make it any tighter. Excellent.